seeing the arm, you get an overwhelming sense when you first see it. I then got to try it on, and like magic, I got it to work pretty much straight away, and it's amazing. Today I came to Blatchford Clinic in Sheffield to get a hero arm. I came in and met a clinician who showed me the arm and how it worked. You come in and you have these expectations, and it exceeds them all. When you first see it, you think it looks fantastic, and it's a lot smoother than you expect. I mean, originally I wanted to get a hero arm a few years ago, but I decided at the time that I managed okay. But then when I had my little boy, I realised there was a lot I couldn't do. So that's what led me to get one. I think my arm will help me in my role as being a dad in many, many ways. I think confidence-wise it will, because if Joshua needs me to do something, I should be able to, and he should then be able to look at me and see me equal to his other parent, rather than always going to his mum for everything. My hopes for the future is that a lot more people have these accessible to them. Not having a hand can not only cause you to be unable to do things, but it affects your peer as well. When you grow up and you watch all of your friends do stuff that you can't, you get very, very, very dark thoughts at times. So I'm just hoping that it stops people having to go through that if they have the access to it.